Hey everybody! Welcome to another episode of Vegan Vibes here on More with E Mondays. It's your girl Etwanda and I have another holiday favorite for you today. Now this recipe takes time and it has to be made with extra love, like for real, for real. So let's get right to it. So today we will be making a vegan dressing. Yes. Now y'all know there is no Thanksgiving without this recipe here, okay? This dressing is packed with so much flavor and delicious ingredients that it keeps me wanting more and more every time I make this. I'm not playing, y'all. This dressing is the truth. And believe me when I say this dressing recipe hands down is the best. I'm so ready to show you how to create this masterpiece. So let's not wait any longer. It's time to get to the cooking. Now, these will be all the ingredients used to create this vegan dressing. So, the first thing we will need to do is start off by making the dry batter, which consists of 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of cornmeal, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, then mix the ingredients thoroughly. Next, in a separate bowl, we will make our wet batter, which consists of 1 egg replacement, which is 1 tablespoon of flaxseed and 3 tablespoons of water mixed together. Then 4 tablespoons of melted vegan butter, 1/4 cup of non-dairy milk. Then mix this thoroughly together. Next, we will take our dry batter and our wet batter and combine them together. I use the whisk to make sure it mixed fully. Now note, you can definitely add more non-dairy milk as you go to make sure it has a smooth texture so that it will look exactly like this. Now, after that is done, we will preheat our stove and pour our batter inside of our pre-coated skillet that contains grapeseed oil. Then let that bake for about 45 minutes. Now, while that's baking, we will start to saute our chopped onions, red and green bell peppers with our grapeseed oil. Next, we will add some chopped celery and then our chopped mushrooms. And of course, all of our seasonings, which will be in the description down below. Make sure to keep stirring throughout this entire process. Then, after our cornbread is done, we will break it up inside of a bowl, which should look exactly like this. I took a spoon and continued to mash it up so that it resembles breadcrumbs. Next, we will take our seasoned sauteed ingredients and pour it with our cornbread. And for a moist texture, we have to add 2 cups of vegetable broth. Now remember, you're looking for that smooth, wet texture, so add vegetable broth if needed, like as you go. Then lastly, we will take our pre-coated pan, which consists of course, grapeseed oil, and pour all of the ingredients evenly inside. Now, all we have to do is let that bake for about 45 minutes. Well, there it is, vegan dressing, packed with pure deliciousness. Now, please don't forget to add the cranberry sauce on top because you can't have dressing without it. Now, just look how flavorful this looks, and it's so moist, and it tastes is perfection, I promise. So, every time I make dressing, I get so excited, and especially with this traditional recipe. It's just in a healthier way, I promise you. Please do yourself a favor and try this dressing that will make Thanksgiving worthwhile. Thanks again for watching. So, for more recipes like this one, please like, comment, and share. And don't forget to subscribe. Also, follow me on Instagram at Real Vegan Vibes and my personal page at More with E, so you can catch me here. Next week, More with E Mondays, here on Vegan Vibes. It's your girl Etwanda. I'm out.